Hello. Now in this video we will learn the word problem, solve the word problem by using the method of the matrices. I am explaining all the problems in a very simple language. आणि त्याचबरोबर या व्हिडिओ नंतर छोट्या व्हिडिओ नंतर काही पॉवर पॉइंटच्या अनअकॅडमीच्या स्लाइड्स आहेत. मी अनअकॅडमीच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती देखील मॅथ्स M1 आणि M2 पूर्ण शिकवत आहे. त्याचबरोबर MST CET देखील त्यामध्ये शिकवत आहे. जर समजा तुम्हाला त्याचं सबस्क्रिप्शन हवं असेल तर तुम्ही माझा प्रोमो कोड वापरू शकता आणि त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला ते डिस्काउंट मिळेल. त्यामध्ये सर्व लाईव्ह लेक्चर्स असतात आणि काही प्लस लेक्चर्स, काही स्पेशल लेक्चर्स देखील असतात आणि तुम्हाला त्यामध्ये चांगलं गायडन्स मिळेल. जर तुम्हाला आवडलं तर तुम्ही ते निश्चितच सबस्क्राईब करा आणि माझा प्रोमो कोड मी त्या पॉवर पॉइंट स्लाइड मध्ये दिलेलाच आहे. तर तुम्हाला ते आवडलं तर तुम्ही ते सबस्क्राईब करू शकता. An Academy Plus subscription, Maestro Batch for MST CET 2021. Learn from top educator MST CET for the preparation. In the depth analysis of topics, dedicated doubt clearing session, evaluate your understanding through quizzes and the test. Okay. Now these batches are starting from the 4th of January. You can enroll now. Next is An Academy Plus. If you are a Plus subscriber, then you will have all these benefits. Okay, everything under single subscription. Next is An Academy Plus subscription. Best plan for MST CET 2021 aspirant. या प्रकारचे प्लॅन्स आहेत. तुम्ही कुठल्याही यामध्ये तो स्वीकारू शकता. New batch start from every Monday. These are the top educators. Test series देखील आहे त्यामध्ये. Daily test, 20 questions in 20 minutes. Subject wise analysis by the top educators, available for free. Okay. This is running from the 5th of October. You can enroll now. टेस्ट सिरीज कशी द्यायची त्याचं डिस्क्रिप्शन इथे दिलेलं आहे. हा माझा प्रोमो कोड आहे. हा वापरून तुम्ही जर सबस्क्रिप्शन घेतलं तर तुम्हाला त्यामध्ये डिस्काउंट मिळेल. Now we'll start the next topics. The sum of three numbers is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add it to the second number, we get 11. By adding the first and the third number, we get a number which is a double the second number. Use this information and find a system of linear equation. Find the three numbers using matrices. Now let us start. We want to find out three numbers. Let there is a solution. Let the three numbers be X, Y and Z according to the given condition. According to the given condition, what is the condition? The sum of three numbers is 6. Therefore, we'll write here X plus Y plus Z is equals to 6. This is the first equation. Now what is the second condition? If we multiply third number by 3 and add it to the second number, we get 11. It means that according to the second condition, I will write here, according to the second condition, that is a multiplied with 3, the third number, 3z plus y is equals to 11. That is, this equation can be written as y plus 3z is equals to 11. And the last condition, by adding the first and third number, we get a number which is double the second number. Therefore, by third condition, according to the third condition, that is adding the first and third number, x plus z, that is equals to 2y. Therefore, this equation again can be written as x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. Hence, the system of linear equation is the system of the linear equations is x plus y plus z is equals to 6, y plus 3z is equals to 11, and last is a x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. Okay. Now these equations can be written as in matrix form. See this here. These equations can be written in the matrix form as, okay, now we can write this in the matrix form. This here, this is the coefficient matrix 1 1 1. I will write here 1 1 1 0 1 3. Next is a 1 minus 2 and 1, and the variables which are x, y, z, and to the right hand side we have here the constant which are the 6, 11, and here is a 0. Okay. Now again we'll solve this example by using reduction method. Now by the operation, that is a by R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1 we get, okay, right here R3 minus R1. Keep these two rows, that is a 1 1 1 first row and the second row as it is 3. R3 minus R1, here is a 0 minus 2 and minus 1, that will become minus 3, and here is a 0. Okay, here we have x, y and z, and here is also, that is r3 minus r1, that is here is a 6, next is a 11, r3 minus r1, 0 minus 6, that is here is a minus 6. Okay, now we'll solve this. Okay, there multiplication, that is 1 1 1 into 1 into x x, 1 into y y, 1 into z. Therefore you will get here x plus y plus z. Next is a 0 plus y plus 3z, 0 plus y plus 3z. What about the last? 0 minus 3y plus 0, 0 minus 3y, and last is a 0. And on this side you will have, here is a 6, 11 and the minus 6. Okay, now equate it. Okay, by using the equality of matrices. By equality of matrices, equality of matrices. Okay, now x plus y plus z is equals to 6. This is the first equation. X plus y plus z is equals to 6. Second equation, that is y plus 3z is equals to 11. Y plus 3z is equals to 11. This is the second one. What about the last? That is a minus 3y. Minus 3y is equals to minus 6. And this is the third one. If we substitute, if we solve this equation, that is a minus 3y is equals to 6. Therefore, y is equals to 2. Here, that is minus 6 upon minus 3, that you will get 2. Substitute y is equals to 2 in equation number 2. Put y is equals to 2 in equation 2. Therefore, you will get 2 plus 3z is equals to 11. Therefore, 3z is equals to 11 minus 2, that is equals to 9. Okay, therefore z is equals to 3. This is the value. Now by using the first equation, that is a put z is equals to 3, y is equals to 2 in equation 1, then you will get x plus y plus z is equals to 6. Therefore here x 2 plus 3, that's equals to 6. Therefore x is equals to 6 minus 5, and that's equals to 1. Therefore the value of x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Hence we have the all the three values. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, and z is equals to 3. Hence we'll write the answer. Hence the required numbers are numbers are 1, 2 and 3. This is the answer. Again, you can see this here. Mhm. Okay, we'll take the next question. Now the next is the cost of 4 pencils, 3 pens and the 2 books is rupees 150. The cost of 1 pencils, 2 pens and 3 books is rupees 125. The cost of that is, 6 pencils, 2 pens and 3 books is rupees 175. Find the cost of each atom by using matrices. Okay, now we write here first of all. Let cost of 1 pencil, 1 pen and 1 book be rupees X, okay, rupees Y, and last is a rupees Z respectively. Okay, now according to the condition given, according to the given condition, the given conditions, okay, what is that? Cost of 4 pencil, 3 pens and 2 books. Therefore here the 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 150. This is the first one. What about the next? The cost of 1 pencil, 2 pens and the 3 books is rupees 125. Therefore the second equation is x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 125. Here is a 125. What about the last? The cost of 6 pencils, 2 pens and the 3 books is rupees 175. Therefore, here is a 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 175. Now these are the 3 equations. The equations can be written in matrix form as, okay, this equation can be written in the matrix form here M. Okay, now we'll write here the equations. What is the 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. And here is the x, y, z. That is equals to 150, 125 and 175. Okay. Now again we'll solve this equation by using the reduction method by R12. म्हणजे हा वन एलिमेंट आपण इथे आणणार फर्स्ट रो मध्ये, that is by R12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, and next is a 6, 2, 3, and here is a x, y, z. X, y, z. Okay. On this side, that is 125, 150, and 175. This is the first. What about the next operation? That is a R2 minus 4 times R1 and R3 minus 6 times R1. By using this operation, we'll solve this by R2 minus 4 times R1 and R3 minus 6 times R1. Okay, now here is a first row is as it is 1, 2, 3. There is a 0 first, 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus 2 into 4, 8. Therefore, you will get here minus 5. Next is a 2 minus 12. Therefore, you will get here minus 10. What about the last? R3 minus 6 times R1. The first element here is a 0. 2. 2 into 6, that is a 12. And here is a minus 10. 3 minus 6 times R1, that is 18. Therefore, here you will get minus 50. Okay. And here is a variable matrix, that is x, y, and z. Next is the constant. The first is 125 as it is. What is that? R2 minus 4 times R1. 150 minus 4 times, then that will become 500. 150 minus 500, that is here you will get minus 350. Next is a R3, that is a 125 minus this 6 times. Therefore, you will get minus 575. That is 6 into 125. That is 750. That is it. Therefore, 175 minus 750, then you will get minus 575. Now the next is, आता इथे काय करायचं आपल्याला हा एलिमेंट 0 करायचा. That is R3 minus 2 times R2. Then you will get here, I will write here R3 minus by, here is R3 minus 2 times R2. Then this 10 will become 0. Now the first and second row is as it is 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 5, minus 10. Next here is a 0. Here is a 0 2 times, and minus 15 and minus 20. Therefore, overall you will get here 5. There is a x, y, z. And on this side, R3 minus 2 times R2, that is 125. minus 350. And what is that last? R3 minus 2 times. Therefore, 350 into 2, that is a 700. And therefore minus 575 plus 700, and then you will get here 125. Okay. Now simple equations are here. We'll perform the multiplication. That is this first row in this column. X plus 2y plus 3z. X plus 2y plus 3z. What about the next? 0 minus 5y minus 10z. And what about the last? Here is a 0 plus 0 plus 5z. And that's equals to, here is a, that's equals to 125. Okay, minus 350. And last is a 125. Okay, here is a 125. By using the equality of matrices, by equality of matrices, x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 125. X plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 125 minus 5y minus 10z is equals to minus 350. Okay. And what about the last? That is a 5z. Here is a 5z is equals to 125. These are the three equations. This is the first one, second, and here is the third equation. Now, as 5z is equals to 125, therefore z is equals to 25. Z is equals to. Substitute the value of this z in this equation. Then put z is equals to 25 in equation 2. Therefore, minus 5y minus 10z is equals to minus 350. Okay, substitute the value. Minus 5y minus 10 into 25 minus 350. This all minus will become plus. That is a 5y plus 250 is equals to 350. Therefore, 5y is equals to 350 minus 250. Okay, 350 minus 250, then you will get there to the 100. Therefore, y is equals to, here you go, y is equals to 100 minus 5, and that's equals to 20. Therefore, y is equals to 20 here. Now put this value of y and the z, that is a put y is equals to 20, z is equals to 25 in equation 1. Then we get, okay, what is that equation number 1? X plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 125. X plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 125. Substitute the value. Here is x plus 2 into 20 plus 3 into 25, and that's equals to 125. X 2 into 20, then you get 40. 3 into 25, you will have here 75, that is equals to 125. Now, therefore, x is equals to 125 minus 40 and minus 75, and overall you will get the value of x. Therefore, x is equals to, here is a 125 minus 115, and that's equals to 10. Therefore, x is equals to 10, and hence the answer, that is a x is equals to 10, y is equals to 20, z is equals to 25. Hence the cost of one pencil is rupees 10. The cost of one pen is rupees 20, and the last is the cost of one book is rupees 25. Okay. In this way, I have completed these examples. All these examples are easy. Now, the next problem. The sum of three numbers is 6. Thrice the third number when added to the first number gives 7. On adding 3 times first number to the sum of second and third number, we get 12. Find the three numbers by using matrices. Now again, let the numbers be x, y, and z. Therefore, according to the given conditions, that is sum of the numbers, means what, x plus y plus z, that's equals to 6. Sum of the three numbers, x plus y plus z, that's equals to 6. This is the first condition. Next, thrice the third number when added to the first number, that is a 3z. Here is a 3z plus x. Then we get, there is a 7. Okay. and we can write this equation as x plus 3z is equals to 7. What about the last condition? On adding 3 times the first number to the sum of the second and the third, we get 12. Therefore, here is a 3x plus y plus z, and that's equals to 12. These are the three equations. X plus y plus z is equals to 6, x plus 3z is equals to 7, and the last is 3x plus y plus z, that's equals to 12. Hence, the system of the linear equations is hence the system of linear equation is. Now these are the equations. We'll write all these equations in a sequence. The first is x plus y plus z is equals to 6. Next is x plus 3z, that is equals to 7. 3x plus y plus z is equals to 12. These equations can be written in the matrix form as these equations can be written in matrix form as, okay, now we write here, that is the first is 1 1 1, there is a 1 1 1. What about the second? 1 0 3, yes, 1 0 and 3. What about the last? 3 1 1, there is a 3 1 1, and we have here the variable matrix x, y and z, and that's equals to, okay, 6 7, and here is a 12. Now by using the operation, again we'll reduce in the upper triangular form. By reduction method we'll solve this by R2 minus R1 and R3 minus 3 times R1. We get 1 1 1 0. Next is a minus 1 2, and R3 minus 3 times R1. Okay, here will be the element is a 0. 1 minus 3, that is a minus 2. 1 minus 3, and again here is minus 2. Variable matrix x, y, z, that is equals to 6 R2 minus R1, that is a 1. R3 minus 3 times R1, that is a 12 minus 18. 12 minus 18. Okay, here is a minus 6. 12 minus 18, here is a minus 6. Now the next is R2, R3 plus R2. Then here you will get the 0 and we'll get here R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2. The first is 1, 1, 1. The next element here is a 0. Okay. And again here must be 0. That is a R3 plus R2. Then 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 2. And if you add this here, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. 2 minus 2, that will become 0. Here is a multiplication. X plus y plus z, and next is a minus y plus 2z, and last is a minus 3y plus 0 is equals to minus 5. And by equality of the matrices, we have x plus y plus z is equals to 6. Next is a next equation, minus y plus 2z is equals to 1. And last is a minus 3y is equals to minus 5. Okay, now the value of the y is here. Y is equals to 5 upon 3. Now put this value of y in equation number 2. Put y is equals to 5 upon 3 in equation 2. Therefore you will get here, what is that equation? That is a minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 plus 2z is equals to 1. Therefore 2z is equals to 1 plus 5 upon 3, that is a 8 upon 3. Therefore z is equals to 4 upon 3. Z is equals to 4 upon 3. Put y is equals to 5 upon 3. Z is equals to 4 upon 3 in 1 we get, okay, in equation number 1. Therefore you will get here, that is a x plus 5 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3, that's equals to 6. Now what is here? 9 upon 3 is equals to 6. Therefore x plus 3 is equals to 6, and here is a x is equals to 3, and hence therefore x is equals to 3, y is equals to, what is the value of y? 5 by 3, and z is equals to 4 upon 3. Okay, therefore hence the required numbers are 3, 5 upon 3 and 4 upon 3. And in this way we have completed up to this part, and remaining part will be in next video. Till then, goodbye.